Placing your order on Bidfood Direct is simple. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to start browsing your agreed product range. Finding products is easy. Simply use the Quick Order button to build your order based on previous purchases. Or alternatively, select a category from the drop-down, or use the search box to search for specific products. Find the product you'd like to purchase and click Add to Basket. You can use the filter options along the left-hand side of the screen to search by brand, dietary requirements, new products, or you can exclude selected allergens, making it quick and easy to find suitable products. You can either add a product straight to your basket from the search results page, or click on the product description to view further information, including ingredients, nutritional information, allergens, and packaging information. Use the plus and minus signs to increase or decrease the quantity of the product you'd like to order, and then click Add to Basket. You can review your basket by clicking on the shopping trolley icon in the right-hand corner, which will show you the products you have in your basket, the quantity you've selected, and the price. It's easy to amend quantities by clicking on the quantity box. You can also use the Remove button to remove items from your basket. You can also save baskets for use later if you regularly order the same products. To load saved baskets at a later date, go to Orders, select My Baskets, and then here you can view your saved baskets and then click Load to Basket. This will automatically load all of the products into your basket, and you can either continue shopping, remove products, or simply proceed with your order and click Go to Checkout. Once you've clicked Go to Checkout, if you've ordered with us previously, you will see the Have You Forgotten to Order page, which is based on your previous purchase history, helping you to ensure you have everything you need before checking out. Simply add whatever you've forgotten, or click Continue to go to checkout. On the checkout page, enter your email address so that we can send you a confirmation. Enter your order reference, this could be a PO number or your name, and then click Continue. Select your required delivery date from the drop-down, review your order, ensuring you have all of the items that you need, and then click Submit.